Hello everyone, welcome to English Language and Literature. Today we are going to watch and learn about idioms. So these are the idioms which we use widely in English literature and grammar, and these are also very commonly used idioms which you would be watching today and learning today in this video. So let's dive into the first thing. So did you know that English, we often say things that don't mean what they sound like? These are called idioms. Let's get into the literal definition of idioms here. So the literal definition of idioms is an idiom is a phrase or expression where the meaning is different from its literal word. So these are different types of idioms. Let's dive into the very first one, which is break the ice. Break the ice doesn't mean you go and break the ice, but this means to start a conversation or make people feel comfortable in a new situation. The second one is piece of cake. This means something is very easy. For example, the math test was a piece of cake for that man, or the mountain hike is a piece of cake for me. Next up is the grass is greener on the other side. The idiom suggests that people often perceive other situation or circumstances as better or more desirable than their own. So the comparison between other people is sad. The next one is big fish in a small pond. The idiom describes someone who appears important or successful in a small environment may not have the same significance in the largest setting. Bite the bullet. This means to endure a painful or unpleasant situation with courage. Example, you will have to bite a bullet and face the dentist if you want your toothache to stop. Moving mountains. Now that doesn't mean you literally go and move mountains. This idiom signifies accomplishing an incredible, difficult, or seamlessly impossible task that has been given to you. So that's the meaning. Spill the beans. This means to reveal a secret. For example, she spilled the beans about the surprise party that was going to be thrown. So that's spill the beans for you. The next one is blessing in disguise. Something that seems bad or unlucky at first, but turns out to be good later. Example, losing a job was blessing in disguise because it led to start my own successful business. Let the cat out of the bag. To reveal a secret, often unintentionally. Example, we are planning a surprise party, but John let the cat out of the bag. Next up is beat around the bushes. To avoid talking directly about something. For example, stop beating around the bushes and tell me what's wrong. That's beat around the bushes for you guys. Our next up idiom is when pigs fly. Literally, pigs never fly, but that's what the meaning is. Something that would never happen. Example, he'll tidy his room when pigs fly. Next up is burn the midnight oil. To work late into nights. I had to burn the midnight oil to finish the report on time, or I had to burn the midnight oil to pass the exam. So that's the meaning of it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share, and comment down below which idiom did you like the most. And we would be glad to read the idiom that you guys like the most. Thank you again.